How businesses use TikTok in the real world. Hey there, everyone. Now that your TikTok account is up and running, and now that you know how to create engaging content to generate buzz around your brand, it is time for you to learn how other businesses in your niche are using TikTok for their campaigns. This will allow you to study their own marketing tactics, which you can reverse engineer, as well as to discover who is following them. Getting started. Checking out how your competitors and other businesses use TikTok, you have to start by finding them. To do this, you have to use the Discover feature. So first, tap on the Discover shortcut icon to go to the Discover screen. Finding other businesses on TikTok. Okay, let's now look for other business accounts on TikTok. The easiest way to do this is simply by typing a niche keyword into the search bar. Type your keyword and then tap on Search. Once in the results screen, tap on the Users tab. Now, to identify business accounts in the niche you are searching on, you have to look for accounts that are clearly branded. This means accounts that have the name of a brand, company, or business, that have a branded profile image or video, and that have a sizable audience. Optionally, you can use the name of a brand or business as a keyword when you do your search. This will make your search easier if you are already looking for a specific brand or business. Now tap on the profile of a business account in the results. Analyzing a TikTok profile for a business. Okay, now it is time to take a closer look at the details on a business account. These details, as well as the type of content you'll find in them, will vary from niche to niche, but there's still useful information that you can measure to optimize your account. Start by identifying which additional profiles they add to their TikTok profiles. In general, most businesses on TikTok include their Instagram profiles. This is because Instagram is also a visual discovery platform for younger users, and they know that it is important to cross-promote. Next, look at their profile bio. Businesses use this field to target niche keywords and search terms in their industry. This makes it easier for them to be discovered by potential customers. To grab the attention of profile visitors, they include emojis in their bio. This enhances the visual appeal of their bio and of the profile in general. Lastly, you have to take a look at their videos. Businesses use TikTok to showcase their products or services. They make their products or services as prominent as possible in their video thumbnails. When you watch one of these videos, you'll notice that businesses use them to show the process behind creating a product, or make them about using a product, or about the results of using a product or services. This helps them increase buying intent in the viewer and moves them down the sales funnel. Finally, we recommend you to follow these accounts if they're a business in your niche. This will help you to network with similar businesses on TikTok, as well as to reach the audiences of these businesses.